Hello everybody, welcome to Mrs. Lin's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Suan Ni Bai Rou. Suan Ni means grated garlic and Bai Rou is white meat. It is also called the sliced pork with grated garlic sauce. This is an authentic Taiwanese dish that you can find in many Taiwanese restaurants, but many people also make it at home. The key ingredients for this dish is the pork belly along with many common and easy to find ingredients. So let me show you how to make it today. Here is the ingredients overview. If you prefer a leaner cut, pork shoulder is also a good option for this recipe, but the meat texture will be firmer than pork belly. I use ginger, rice wine, and star anise to help to eliminate the porky smell when boiling. If you do not have star anise, you can just leave it out of the recipe. Rice wine can be replaced by sake or cooking wine. First, we will prepare to boil the pork belly. Thinly slice few pieces of ginger. You don't need to peel the skin, but make sure to rinse the ginger thoroughly before cutting. Next, you want to fill a pot with about 8 cups of water. Add the ginger slices, pork belly, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and 1 star anise. Bring it to a boil. If you do not like the pork skin, you can cut it off before boiling. Once the water starts to boil, cover with the lid and lower the heat to medium-low. Continue to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of boiling, turn off the heat and let the pork belly cool off in the broth for about an hour. While waiting for the pork belly to cool off, you can slice the tomato. Try to make the slices as thin as possible. Here I'm using the mandolin slicers to slice the cucumber. If you don't have a mandolin at home, you can still cut the cucumber by hand. Just try your best to cut it as thin as possible. Chop the green onion. This will be used for garnishing. You can also use cilantro. Grate some garlic. To make the sauce, mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with 1 teaspoon of sugar until the sugar is fully dissolved. Next, add 2 teaspoons of grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and ½ teaspoon of hot chili oil. Stir well to combine all the ingredients together. You can adjust the hot chili oil to your liking or leave it out if you don't like spicy food. After an hour, the boiled pork belly is ready to be cut. There is no right or wrong way of cutting the pork belly for this dish. You just need to make sure each piece of meat is very thin. Here I cut the whole pork belly in half first and then thinly slice against the grain. If your pork belly is not cool enough for cutting, you can put it in the refrigerator for a little bit. The pork belly will be cooler and firmer so you can easily cut into thin slices. To assemble this dish, you will need a large serving plate. Place the cucumber slices around the edge of the plate like how I'm doing here. Next, place the tomato on top of the cucumber. And add the pork belly slices in the middle. Finally, drizzle the sauce on the top. Garnish with some green onion and your dish is ready to be served. So here is my version of Suan Ni Bai Rou, or boiled sliced pork belly with grated garlic sauce. Pork belly is traditionally used, but if you find this meat to be too fatty, you can always go with pork shoulder, which is a leaner meat, and but do expect a firmer textures. This is a great dish as an appetizer. The cucumber, tomato will definitely help cut the grease, so it's wonderful for a hot day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please also share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. A little bit of everything. Very good. Very garlicky. The texture is great, and the cucumber and tomato really help to cut out the grease.